Okay, now I'm actually going to, we've done the categories, so now we're going to do the actual products, or items in this case. Again, over on the left hand side, you'll see products. If you click on all products, you'll see all of the items or products that you've got in your shopping system. We've got 80 here, and we're going to add a new one. So at the top of the page there, next to products, add new, or you can do it from the drop down if you want to go straight to that. So we add a new product. Now the product that we're going to add is for the first category that we just made, which again is the 1841 2D blue. Okay. Perfect. So we put that in as the title of the item or the product. This box here we ignore as we go down the page. Generally this is for a long description, which is normally added at the bottom of products, but we don't need this for this one. Keep scrolling down the page until you come to product data. The first thing is the regular price. That's the price of the item, which I actually have to look up because with Robert's particular items, they're embedded into the image rather than normally you'd have them written down or you'd know what they are. Right, so it's image number, excuse me, 23. Okay, if I enlarge that, I'll be able to see what the price is. This is particular to Roberts. It's not something you would generally need to do. £45. Okay. Let me just check the title again. 1841 2D blue. That's fine. Okay. So in the regular price, you type in £45. You don't need to put the pound sign in here. When you've done that, you'll see a small menu here, and we go to inventory. What we need to do, because these are only individual items, there's only one of each, so it's not like you need to maintain the stock and have stock levels, but you must always do this, otherwise people can order more than one. So sold individually, you tick that box. Always make sure you do that so they can only buy the one item. Product short description. Normally in here again we would have the short description of the product, which you can see there is embedded in the image on this one, but that's where you would type that. Over here, the first on the right hand side, you've got product gallery, which is product gallery images. If you had several images of the same product or item, you'd put those there, but this is the most important one. It's the product image, and that's what will display as the main image on your product or item. And so we click on set product image. Now you see I've already just loaded that one up because we're taken to the media library again. If you haven't got the image in the media library, click on upload files, select file, and it will allow you to pull one up from your computer. We'll go back to the media library for this one. Click at number 23 there. Set the product image with the green button bottom right. Right, scroll up on the right hand side, you'll see product categories. As you look down there, you've got everything that we've added so far as categories. Right. You just so the main category is the 1840 2D blue, but we've also got a subcategory there of 1840 2D blue, and that's the one we use. We don't need to click the main category here because we've got subcategories. You only click that if you don't have any subcategories underneath it. That's all you need to do, is put a tick in that checkbox, scroll up, just above it you'll see publish. And what you do is click the green button that says publish, circle spinning around while it's saving it. And that's how you add a product or an item. If we go to the front now, refresh the screen, (2D blue). I'm really sorry, I've actually put it in the wrong category, but that's fine because I can show you how to change that. It should actually be the 1841 2D blue category. So we go back down to the categories, untick that box, 1841 2D. 1841 2D blue, tick the subcategory, go back to publish. This time we've got update, so we update that. Right, that's that product saved. Now if I refresh the screen on the other tab that shows me the front of the page that I'm working on, you'll see there, now it's in the correct one of the 1841 2D blue. And there it is. I've not actually put the picture on the subcategory image there, but I'll do that in a second. Click on that, and there you've got your product, which once you click on, you see that it's proper size with the add to cart button there, the £45, and that's exactly what you do. If you're going to purchase, you add to cart. And that's basically how you add products. And exactly the same as categories. If you want to change anything on a product or edit it, go to all products in the left hand side margin, click on whichever one that you want to edit, and you can change prices or whatever you need really. Change categories if they're in the wrong category, and basically that's it. Okay.